What's up guys, and welcome to Drive to Thrive. Hopefully you're doing as great as I am and your summer is going okay. Check out my furry chair here. Stroke the cherry. Cherry, I can say. Stroke the furry wall. You know what that's from? Get into the Greek, man. Just if you don't know this reference. Yeah, let's try and do this again. What's up guys, and welcome to Drive to Thrive. Hopefully your summer is going as well as mine is. Now I have taken a little bit of a break here, but back at it. Now hopefully you've seen my last video, which was on Lightspeed. This video will be on Shopify. Now hope you guys are ready for this action-packed episode. Now let's go over to my computer and let's check out those charts on Shopify. Alright, so let's start off on our daily chart of Lightspeed here. So check out this bottoming pattern here on Shopify. Now, if you've seen that Lightspeed video, something similar is happening on Lightspeed as with Shopify, PayPal, Pinterest, and all these other companies. Now, I haven't released videos on those other two companies I mentioned, but if you would like me to, let me know in the comments below and I'll definitely get to it. But these bottoming patterns usually signal the bottom. So what have I been doing, guys? Anytime we kind of dip down into this $30 area, guess what? I buy a few shares. I buy 10, 20, 30 shares of Shopify and I try to build out that position. Now, what to expect here in the upcoming weeks and into the month. So on the daily here, we are breaking about that zero line, so that bullish momentum on the MACD. Nice to see. The stochastic RSI moving a little bit lower here, some room for it to come back down. So don't be surprised if we pull back again down to around this $31 to $30 area. But guess what? If you get back down there, just be buying a little bit more shares, so nothing wrong with that. Now, should you be doing the same? Remember, this isn't any kind of financial advice. You gotta know how to spend your money, and as always, you shouldn't be listening to people on YouTube. Like, what do we really know? Like, we're here for entertainment, and hopefully we can provide that entertainment and some knowledge along the way. So if you guys are liking this video and if you like some of my stupid jokes, then hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's zoom out and let's go over to our weekly chart. Now this is where everything starts to look beautiful. Now if we go back to 2019, you know, this level has held really well. So again, we're back at testing the support, and guess what? We're finding lots of support here. So that is why I believe this is a nice area to load up on. Now, some of the price targets to the upside, well, guess what? We got all this open sky here. Really, next resistance, maybe we can mark the bottom over here, so around $53. Another resistance here that we'll probably run into is going to be around, let's see, some around $70. We'll definitely be hitting some resistance here. And then a really strong resistance around this $90. But again, that is, in my opinion, at least a couple of years away. Don't be surprised, guys, if by the end of the year we possibly hit the $70 mark, especially if the CPI data starts coming in a little bit better every single month, especially with the midterm elections coming up. I think Jay Powell will be incentivized by Biden to start talking a little bit more dovish and start propping those markets up, just because of those midterm elections. Now, looking at the MACD here, so we did have that crossover back here in June. Again, looking good on its way up. Now, remember, anytime we kind of get overextended to either the upside or the downside, you can expect this MACD to move back to this zero line. Now, guess what? We are going to be moving on the way up, which means we'll have some momentum behind us. So again, this $52 is definitely in the cards in the short term. Now our stochastic RSI does look a little bit overextended here, so I'll look for a little bit of a pullback here, possibly back down to $30, which would be awesome because that's where I'd be loading up again, which I mentioned probably already like 4 or 5 times in this video alone. So hopefully if there's anything you take from this video is you buy at around $30 to $31. Hashtag not financial advice. Now zooming into the monthly chart here. So on the monthly chart, check this baby out. Look how overextended we were on that MACD. Sick, just absolutely sick. Now guess what? We're overextended, starting to slow down that downward momentum to the downside. So look for this baby to start turning back up. Now our stochastic RSI still flat down here on that monthly chart. So again, lots of room for this thing to run up. Now that is it for this video. Hopefully you found this useful. If you did, smash the like button. If you like some of the stupid comments or some of the jokes I make, don't forget to subscribe and support the channel. Now otherwise, leave me a comment, let me know what stocks you would like me to discuss, what stocks you're personally buying, what do you think will happen with the economy here? Is this just a fake out here? Do you think we're getting some kind of a bull trap here and we'll have another leg lower? Let me know in those comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Otherwise, have an awesome day and see you in another video. Ciao.